I have a copy of the old Word version of the template for curriculum maps here that I'm going to use to show you if you have converted a file from Word and it looks weird at the top and along the sides, how to fix that. So first of all, let's start with the fact that the table is off the side of the page. We'll just go to File, then Page Setup. We're going to change those left and right margins to 0.4, and that should bring the table back onto the page. You might have to adjust that slightly based on whether or not you've changed that table size, but that should take care of your margins for you. Now we have all this blank space up here from converting from Word to Google Docs. So I'm going to click up here in the header. Notice I'm inside the header now. And first I'll just select all of this space. And notice I have several line spaces that are in that area. So I'm going to just hit delete with those already highlighted, and that will get rid of the empty spaces. Now, before I click out of there, I've got this logo. And if I click directly on the logo and drag it, I want to put it kind of at the same margin from the top as we have from the side and line it up with the right side. Notice that red line. Line it up with the right side of the table. And then I can just drop that in place. That leaves the photo up in the header. And if I click away from that now, you'll see that appears on every page. You also want to go into your footer and, of course, update the date to today's date, whatever day you are working on it currently. You can also check from the beginning of your document to make sure you don't have any empty line spaces. This one line space I can't get rid of because it is the only line space before the table. This line is actually part of the table.